Everyone, welcome to TGIF, your weekly destination to unlock the latest every Friday. Today we are going to talk about the new autonomous agent, which is going to change how customers are leveraging business application when it comes to the business processes. We are shifting the gears from legacy business application to AI first business processes. And to talk more about this, would love to invite Shruti Chaurasia, our Senior Product Manager for Dynamics 365 and Customer Service. Hello Shruti, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks, Vishaka. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much. Shruti, could you help us understand when it comes to the new announcement which has happened at the Ignite and when it comes to autonomous agent, how autonomous agent, what are the benefits of the autonomous agent, and when it comes to the differentiator, because we do have the AI into the picture, we do have different existing tools and the technology as well, how autonomous agent is going to make the difference?
Sure. So, Microsoft recently announced autonomous agents across sales, service, finance, and supply chain. What I would like to focus on is case management agent, which is an autonomous agent for Dynamics 365 customer service. So, case management agent will reduce the manual burden on customer service representatives throughout the life cycle of the case.
Right.
What it will do is it will automatically create the case whenever customer reaches out for any support and auto-populate case fields on the case form, which means that customer service representatives will not need to manually create a case while interacting with the customer or when they wrap up the interaction. And not only this, it will also continuously monitor the cases which require a follow up, and it will send follow up emails automatically at regular intervals. It can also automatically resolve the case. So, what you will see is case management agent will manage the entire case life cycle from creation to resolution, letting the customer service representatives focus on customer interaction. How are these agents different from existing solutions like Copilot capabilities? I would say they bring AI first business process to every organization. Until now, most of the Fortune 500 companies have been realizing a lot of productivity gains using Copilot capabilities, but that is an agent's AI assistant. It works with customer service representatives, helping them perform their operations quickly. But autonomous agents are truly transformative in nature, and it will work on behalf of an individual or a team to execute and orchestrate business processes, which means that customer service representatives will take a back seat and autonomous agents will be taking the lead, and it will completely automate operations for customer service representatives requiring their minimal to zero intervention.
Yeah, I think I can completely see where we are heading with this when it comes to binding the business application with the AI first source. That's exactly what the autonomous agent will provide. Now, coming to the customer use cases, I think in day to day activities, we always get to see number of use cases. How autonomous agent and what are those primary use cases where it will actually go ahead and help customer?
Right. So I think autonomous agents are completely a game changer for businesses. Organizations like McKinsey and Thomson Reuters are already creating autonomous agents today and are reducing their administrative tasks time by 50%.
Right.
Again, talking about case management agent in particular, as I mentioned, it will help create cases automatically when a customer reaches out through a live chat. So, what it would mean for customer service representatives is they would not be required to create a case while they're having an interaction with the customer. They will not be required to manually fill out the fields on the case. As well as when they are ending the conversation, it will generate notes, which means that customer service representatives can directly focus only on the customer interaction without worrying about all the administrative tasks that they do today. This will drastically reduce their average handling time, and customer service representatives can actually work on customer satisfaction. What it would mean for them is it will help them support more requests from customers in less time, thus enhancing customer satisfaction. Not only this, I feel case management agent goes beyond case creation, as I mentioned, because it will help prioritize cases which require immediate attention, and it will also send follow-up emails for those cases which require certain information from customers.
Right.
Like it will send some follow-up emails, it will automatically resolve the case with an option for a human to oversee and take certain actions if need be. But as we see, it will completely automate the entire case life cycle. And talking about our own Microsoft support transformation, where we have been testing these capabilities right now, we've seen that support engineers are able to resolve cases 12% faster, and it has also helped them reduce their average handling time by about 30% while working on the case.
Yeah, I can completely relate to that, as we have used customer service in day-to-day activities so much, and there are hundreds of the fields that you need to automatically fill, and it takes time when it comes to spending more time or filling the forms, getting the information from the form. And I see this is going to help every single user who is going to use the customer service Dynamics 365. Thank you so much, Shruti. After hearing all this, I think we are so excited to look at the demo. Please help us just show how does exactly it works on the ground.
All right, so let's see this in action. So we'll see this is the customer, Claudia, who is reaching out for an issue that she's facing for her Outlook. And she's greeted by Microsoft Copilot Studio, which helps her. And now she's being directed to a human agent. Now we see over here that Autonomous Agent has created a case automatically by leveraging the chat transcript. And when this is transferred to a human agent or a customer service representative accepts this notification, they see that the case is already created with the fields already auto-populated. So all they need to do is get up to speed quickly with whatever interaction has happened with the bot by looking at the conversation summary and the timeline highlights versus filling out the details on the case. And it also Copilot helps them in resolving this customer's issue by looking at the solutions that it provides. So the agent or the customer service representative can take help from Copilot and provide solutions to the customer. Another scenario is customer service agents today need to follow up manually on the different cases which require information from customer. Now, case management agent will do that on behalf of the customer service representative, where it will be sending follow-up emails adhering to the SLA timelines, and then it can also automatically resolve the case on behalf of the customer service representative. Of course, they have an option to intervene and go ahead and resolve it. Even if they resolve it manually, we can see that the autonomous agent has filled out all the details while resolving the case, which means that the customer service representative does not have to spend time inputting all these fields while they are trying to resolve the case. Okay. So as we saw here, autonomous case management agent is helping the customer service representatives throughout the case lifecycle, from creation to prioritization to follow up and then finally resolving the case.
I mean, this is great, Shruti. Thank you so much for sharing this demo with us. Now we could actually see how Copilot Studio and the autonomous agent are coming together, and this is going to be a game changer for business application when it comes to moving from the legacy applications to the AI first application. Thank you, Shruti, for joining us today. Thank you everyone for joining us. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.